My name is Kurt Harrington. I'm the founder and CEO of Ventoux Biosciences. I started Ventoux with the purpose to develop new treatment options for a disease that affects me personally, as well as my father, and there are very few treatment options for it. The mainstay of treatment to this day remains to be surgery. That disease is called Dupuytren's contracture, Dupuytren's disease. It's also known as palmar fibromatosis. Essentially what it is a fibrosis that occurs in the hands. It oftentimes starts as a nodule in the palm of the hand or a pit below the fourth finger, and over time those nodules become more and more fibrotic and turn into heavily collagen-based cords that impact the physical function of your hands. Personally, I've had Dupuytren's for over 15 years. In that time, I've had 3 different surgeries as well as 3 different full-course targeted rounds of radiation therapy. Dupuytren's disease has been around for over 400 years, amazingly. However, in that time, no cure has come to the table and no pharmacologic approved disease-modifying therapies are available either. And in that I mean treatments that would slow the progression for patients that are in early or moderate stages of the disease and help them delay progression before they become serious enough to need a surgery or some kind of surgical intervention. So a year ago I started Ventoux Biosciences. I was grateful to leverage my experience in the biotech and pharmaceutical industry to build a best-in-class scientific advisory board. We built a team that's built of experts that work from bench to bedside, and by that I mean they've got extensive early-stage drug screening experience in fibrosis as well as specific Dupuytren's research, Dupuytren award-winning research, as well as surgeons that have done some of the most surgeries for Dupuytren's historically and are thought leaders in the space. Following that, we were able to identify a couple of lead compounds we wanted to explore in a preclinical study. Fast forward to today, we've completed our preclinical study and identified a lead candidate to work on moving towards the clinic and work on getting towards our first in-human studies. So the reason we're now moving from a self-funded company to beginning to raise funds is actually to advance that lead compound towards the clinic and do the necessary steps in working with the FDA as well as the necessary steps to advance the product itself, the formulation and the configuration to ensure we can get it to patients safely and effectively. I've been truly blessed and blown away by the outreach from patients around the world, having heard about forming this company about a year or so ago. And I welcome all of you to join in, follow along, contribute if you can, as it truly will take a village to change the course of this disease and bring some novel treatments to market. But I am very passionate and proud to be doing so, and thank you for watching. Please stay in touch.